Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, January 17th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about mailbox money and how you can start earning your share of that today. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018. And I enjoy helping others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, a lot of people, well, the reason I'm making this video is because people keep asking me if I'm still doing my direct mail marketing, because they've been seeing, I've been doing a lot of my videos about silver and my QuickSilver program, but the answer is absolutely 100% yes. I still do direct mail marketing, and I'm still involved in all the programs I was involved in last year, okay? So, in fact, I did a video last night opening up a couple pieces of mail that I received in the mail with commissions in them from my mailbox money programs, my direct mail programs. So I'm still 100% involved in direct mail marketing. In fact, I am going to be heading to the post office to send off more letters today that I put together with my direct mail opportunities in them. So most people, they don't like their 9-to-5 jobs. I mean, it's just a fact, right? They go to them, but the only reason they go there is because they need the paycheck. And I was one of those people. I had a 9-to-5 job that I liked the people that I worked with, but I thought it was going to be different, and I thought I could sit at a desk all day in my office and push papers and be happy doing that, and I wasn't happy doing it. And that's when I started looking into direct mail and learning that I could literally get checks and cash and silver and coins in the mail that were worth something, right? So I started learning about direct mail, and long story short, I found an opportunity that was just mailing postcards, okay? And I stuck with it for a while, and I started making commissions. And then I would take those commissions and I'd reinvest in my postcards and my stamps and send out even more. And I would make more commissions. And I can't guarantee you're going to make anything if you join me in any of my programs. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But the programs I'm involved with, I've made money from every single one of them. Good money with every one of them. They all work, but you have to work it. You have to show up every day, take action, stay consistent every single day if you want it to work. Okay, you can't just mail out 100 postcards every 3 months and think that you're going to get rich. Right? That's not how it works. But direct mail works. All right? You have to find a product, service, or opportunity that resonates with you, that you can get behind 1,000% and go and share it with people, right? So what I do, like in my letters here, I have, I send people over to my joinruss.com page. And I'm sending these letters to people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. All right, and when you join me, you get all of my resources. I have over 80 different places to share these opportunities with, or to share these opportunities online. You're going to get my my lists, the people that I use for my leads. You're going to get my postage, where I get my postage, all that stuff. Okay, you're going to get all of that stuff. But I just wanted to do a video because a lot of people, they don't even think about doing direct mail. They're so busy online with their social media trying to get views and clicks and all that. But direct mail's been around since the 1800s, and it just flat out works. Like I said, you have to show up and put in the work, though. That's the thing. That's what most people don't do. But it's a very simple way to create income if you show up and stay consistent, Like I said, I've made money in all of my opportunities that I'm a part of using direct mail. So you have to find a product, service, or opportunity that you like. All right. And then you have to decide if those opportunities have postcards, or if they have flyers, or if you have to make your own, or if you want to send out letters like I do. I send out letters that has an image of me, my contact information, just so my social media accounts, my YouTube and Facebook handles, so people know that I'm a real person. All right. A lot of times when you get involved in direct mail, you're going to start receiving direct mail yourself, all right? And a lot of times people just, they're mailing out postcards, which is fine, or they're mailing out letters, but you don't know who they're coming from, right? There's no way to get in touch with the people sending the letters. So I make it so that everybody can get in touch with me if they have questions or need help, or, just want to make sure that I'm a real person. You want to make it personable, all right? And then I just go out and I mail out letters every single week, multiple times a week. All right. And I've just been doing this for years now. So I've got it built up to where I can send out a mass load of envelopes every single month. And by doing so, it generates me income every single month through all of my programs. Direct mail, not many people are doing it. Not many people are in direct mail, simply because, like I said, they're online fighting for clicks and views and trying to beat the algorithms and all that stuff. But direct mail still works. I'm going to continue using it. It's just undervalued and overlooked. Okay. So yes, to answer everybody's question, if I'm still involved in direct mail and all my direct mail opportunities, 100% yes. I'm not going to stop. As long as the USPS is still in business, I'm going to continue sending out letters every single week, every single month, every single year, because it just works. It just works. So you find like I said, you find a service, product, or opportunity that you're passionate about. You make sure that those programs have systems or capture pages. You want to have a capture page system in place. If your product, service, or opportunity doesn't, don't worry, I have you covered. You'll get all my resources. I'll even help you build out a capture page if you need it. But you want to have a sales funnel in place, right? So people go, like if people go to joinruss.com, they see my opportunities. Each one of those opportunities has a system in place that does all the selling and telling for me, right? People opt in, they put in their name and email address, they get taken over to a sales page that does all the heavy lifting for me. And I don't even have to do anything other than get people over to joinruss.com. And that's what I do, right? I send everybody over to joinruss.com. That has all of my opportunities, some of the resources that I use, that I give away for free. Some of them I share for people who join me in my programs. But they can see that I'm a real person. They can connect with me on social media. They can send me an email. And that's what I do, So that's what you want to do. Find a product, service, or opportunity. Have a system in place that does all the selling and telling for you. And then consistently mail out every single week, as much as your budget allows you to, right? And as you start making commissions, you can take some of those commissions and put it back into your mailing to mail out more. And that's all you do. There's people in this direct mail industry that make 6 and 7 plus figures a year by doing mailings, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And if you want my quick start guide and the fastest way to start generating mailbox money and what I'm doing to get real tangible assets in the mail sent to me every single month, go to joinruss.com. You'll see right at the top, there'll be an opt-in where you can sign up for my quick start program or my quick start guide. You just enter your name and email, and I will email you my PDF, all right? My 3-step process that I do every single month to help me generate mailbox money and get real tangible assets sent to me in the mail, okay? So that's it for this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.